It's the other elevator at IKEA, Orlando, Florida. This one serves from 1 to G. I don't know if this one is up only. So if you go around the other side, the elevator is on this side of the shaft right here. The call button on that side is blocked off, but you can go up technically, or down. It's just that once you get out and it closes, you can't get back in. It smells like oil in here. Whoa. There you go. Weird door setup you got here. Here we go. Guaranteed there's gonna be people waiting. Look at those doors. Now watch this. There's your cab view. Elevator L6, capacity 1,200 pounds. That's a big capacity. Dover / ThyssenKrupp VR fixtures. Look at this. That is the result of individual door operators. There goes this elevator. There it goes. And that'll be it.